Come along with me today. We are going to be removing an IPS, and it's going to be a job. We literally have 1 inch of space to spare with the forklift and the boats. This should be interesting.
Down, but no, you can come on forward. Stop. Now come down.
Hey, watch the bottom there, Mel.
I almost down. Stand. You still all right? Okay, stop right there. And you go straight back.
It's like the Austin Power scene where he has to back up and forth, multiple times just to turn around.
Bring it up, put this in there, and then crank this, I guess, to the angle, and then put these on.
Just before that's there, then we'll adjust the angle so while it's...
Maybe we can hit the angle a little bit now.
I mean, you're going to have to do it once you get it raised up so you can line it up.
Well, we're only going to raise it up this far then, before it starts to hit.
If the fork's raised straight up, this is going to go all the way up, and it's going to sit right here, and the bottom's going to sit right there.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Then
And then
as
we can
we
adjust
have it right next to each other, we adjust the angle,
Okay.
and then we kind of slide it in.
A little more. Stop. We're hitting right here.
Because look at the way that the skeg is lined up with its holder. It has to touch it. It has to touch the back like that.
Okay, then you have to move backwards. Just
So before this is going to go up higher.
Yeah.
Right. So you're right. I just want to make sure that we're all on the right page. So we're going to back up a little bit,
just enough to,
raise up,
and then come straight up, and then we're going to have to move forward a little
and
bit.
then move.
But we'll
in.
move forward here.
Using that.
Yeah. Okay.
Instead of, because we can't move the forklift inches at a time. It won't, you don't have that control.
Make sure that we're all
Okay.
got the same plan.
Yeah, I need to,
No, we need to move in.
come forward the same amount you backed up.
Clear.
We're clear. A little more, just a bit. There, that's good.
Here, if we shift over.
And you're shifted all the way to the right.
Yes.
Going under.
This time.
Good.
Good.
This isn't in all the way.
Oh, that's because we're using the pin. I see why. Because the pin is in on this one. Got him.
Got jokes.
Little baby taps. I'm like, come on, man.
Got jokes on this Monday afternoon, don't you, Matt?
I do have some.
It would help if you actually hit it too.
That's old man tray right there. It's not heavy or hard. It's awkward. That's all. Still awkward.
What you guys going on down here?
Probably should have ordered new. I'll have to check. We'll have to see if we got new gaskets for the wet exhaust.
Yeah, the other thing I was gonna, before we put the new one in, I was gonna see, because on the port side, it actually has a spare belt around the shaft. All you gotta do is put in a $60,000 outdrive. Yeah!
Hands out of the way.
Clear!
Good to go.
Sorry, camera. Giving you the shot right up Main Street.
Nice view.
You guys leave me a comment. How many hours do you think this total is going to take us? This job is going to take. So I know how much we've got into it thus far. It's going to be expensive. We got to get this one out, get the new one. So then we got to get this out of this cradle. Then we got to get the new one out of the crate that it came in. Get that on here, bring that over here, put it in. We got to get this old one put in the crate, and that gets freighted back. Perform a laser alignment. We have a special tool that goes on there. We'll show you that. And that does a laser alignment. And then I have to hook the Vodia computer up to it and configure everything.
How many bolts you got up there?
2.
2.
Plus the one under the exhaust over here, and then you got one more over there.
Let's take these backwards off first.
Okay. Want to do the front one?
Is this the last one?
Do you have one by you?
Yeah, right here.
Alright. Oh wait, I got one more on my side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. You have no more on your side?
That one right here.
Yeah, one on my side. What about you?
No.
Alright.
Last bolt's coming out.
Where the drive shafts go together.
Yeah.
Have you separated it?
No.
Separate it.
Out.
It should slide towards the engine.
Okay.
Should be on a spline shaft, I guess. They say they should separate.
All right.
Oh, you guys got the shaft moved
Yeah,
back for the drive shaft. Perfect. Okay. Last bolt. All right, I'm going to hit the forklift then.
Yeah.
All right, so as we're loosening that bolt, it's dropping. You want to try to lift up on it? Or can you? You guys have the room to lift up on it.
I'll try. Going up now.
Oh, it's free!
Scared me a little bit when it just dropped like that.
Hey, hands and feet are clear up here.
Okay, I got it. How are you going to adjust the angle?
Yep, it's coming down slow. Watch that drive shaft. Just make sure it doesn't catch on anything.
Okay, if anybody sees anything, yell, okay?
Yeah.
Roger. On the drive.
Yeah. Tell him to go back up.
Stop.
Go up.
Can you pop it up
No, I can't.
with the screwdriver? Stop for a second. We're toying around with the drive shaft. It was catching. It was moving. You want it to come up?
Yeah, have him come
Can
up.
you lift back up a few inches?
I don't want to get my finger caught in that.
No, don't. You lift it.
There we go.
Ah.
All right, you're good.
Okay, we're free. Is it going to clear that ring?
No, it's not. Stop.
So now we need to have him slide it back, correct?
Yeah, it needs to go towards
Right.
you.
Yep. Matt, so because of the drive shaft, the whole assembly needs to slide back.
Okay, that drive shaft slide forward on the spline.
Yeah, not the engine drive shaft, the IPS drive shaft where the coupler actually hooks up right before the U-joint. That extends over that ring. So I think that after the IPS still needs to clear the back, it looks like from here. So if you drop it down,
He's got no room to drop it. It's already touching the
can
ring.
you spin? Can we spin that?
Tell him to raise it up a little bit.
Can you raise up about 1 inch?
Coming up. Go.
Careful.
Okay, that's good.
All right, stop.
Tilt back.
No, it's locked.
Can't go any further up.
Can you grab that O-ring and get it out of the way, and then we should be able to.
You want me to just cut it?
No.
I think if we just get it. Do you have enough clearance after that to shift the whole IPS back? You kind of have a better view down there.
I could shift the IPS about 4 inches back.
Okay, yeah, then that'll clear the front drive shaft of the IPS. I mean, as long as the whole bottom of the IPS is clear of the actual boat, you should be able to pivot the whole forklift back to clear it.
Ah, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, using the forks to shift it aft. Keep going.
Huh?
Keep going.
Almost there.
All right, Matt's gonna need to shift his forks then.
Now side shift
Okay, Matt.
the forks to the left,
Down
aft.
very easy.
We'll let him know once we come down. What am I doing here, guys?
Everything's okay inside, right?
No, this coupler still needs to move over.
No, I'm watching it. It's clear.
Is it from there?
You're clear.
Okay.
Little bit more. Stop. Now come straight down. Cannot back up. We're against the other boat. That's why we're shifting. I'm gonna come down before we shift back more because we gotta get this
To clear the aft?
out.
Okay.
Come down real slow. This is clear. We're clear there.
I know we have another fitting.
I'm looking here.
Yeah, but that is not gonna pay, that is not gonna pass.
Right. So what I want to do is shift, tilt back. That'll clear here. Then we can come down.
Okay.
I got 6 inches. Oh, do you? Back up 1 inch. Keep coming.
We need one of those 6 inches.
What? Just one of them.
Just one of them.
Man, if you got another inch, I'll take it. You know.
Just
It's
a smidge. That's a good smidge.
That was a perfect smidge.
Okay.
Down slow.
Down, slow.
Watch out for that exhaust.
Keep coming. Keep
You're
coming.
free.
Watch this. Watch this.
Got
I see a hand.
Got him.
Stop.
Hey, we're gonna come down and have you guys back out.
Howdy, Mel.
Good day, sir. How are you?
Good day. Today is a good day.
Now, hard out. You got 3 inches. Up here.
2 inches now. Okay, 1 inch. 1 inch, no more. Yeah.
The massive O-ring.
We clean up the boat. The owner's coming on Wednesday, so let's get all the dirt that we got up there. I want that all cleaned off. Make sure the handprints are off the deck, and make sure the engine room's respectable. All right. Okay, I was wrong. It's 75 turns, stop to stop. Right?
Still, that's a lot of cranking.
Yeah. So this comes out because there's another O-ring in here. See ya.
Oh,
Watch out.
yeah,
Back's falling out.
yeah.
Bring that to the shop too. All right.
All right, see you soon.
Yeah, in about 2 days.
Okay,
Made it.
you made it. Now for where to put it.
I'm thinking either rent Steve's forklift or take this over there, the big metal shop next door, and he's got a huge overhead hoist. We could strap this, lift this up, set this one down on a pallet. Then I can come back over here, get my boom from up there if I need it, and then get that one out of the crate. And then eventually we got to put this one back in the crate. But it's 2 o'clock already. Actually, it's after 2. Dark clouds, and I hear thunder. This jig or cradle doesn't have any legs on it. It's back here, so you can't really set this thing down anywhere. And I'm afraid if you did, it's so front heavy that they would just go whoop. We're over here on my client's boat and just came to look and see what this all needs to get cleaned up. One of these two boats caught on fire, and then thankfully the wind was blowing the other way, but
It was this one next to it that caught fire.
yeah, this one. All right, that looks good. Let's go over here.
Just doing some QA checks.
Yep. And I'm going to cut these off when the time comes because we're not going to put these on because they never stay. And then people call and then you end up having to haul the boat again and take it out. And it's starting to rain, of course, and it's not supposed to, but that's normal for around here. Oh, this whole thing needs a good, wow, yeah, it's still pretty dirty. Still fiberglass all over the place. I am going to call the client and recommend that he get somebody over here as soon as possible to wash this boat. It needs a real scrubbing. But if we let this sit too long, it could get bad. Also, I do see some black spots, any burn marks on here, but might want to have them unfurl these sails and check them for holes. I don't see any burn marks on the cover. I think we're all right, but you can see what happened is this boat right here caught on fire. Luckily, the wind was blowing that way, and it burned up that boat and then damaged that boat also. So I don't know why this caught on fire, but it did. The Starlink antenna. Let me check some things. I forgot. Let me look down in here. It's looking pretty good. All cleaned up. I'm gonna go check the other one. My only recommendation I'm gonna make to the owner is to get a crew over here and get this thing seriously scrubbed down. Okay. All right, let's wrap this up. We'll get back to this. I'll talk to him, find out what the schedule is. He was going to splash, I think, this week, but then now the boat needs to get cleaned up.